The most heavily pregnant lioness is about to give birth and heads off into the bush. Choosing a good den is a mother's first task. Hyenas and the resident leopard are a serious danger to cubs, so the den must be well hidden in dense brush. At birth, her 2 cubs are about 4 inches long and weigh about half a pound each. They are blind and helpless. After a day or 2, their eyes open. Each time the mother visits her cubs, the chances of discovery increase, so she moves the cubs frequently. Her new den is in woodland, further from the river. Elephants too prefer the shade and secrecy of the woods, but this one is nervous. He can sense a lioness is hiding nearby. Only when the elephant moves on can the mother relax with her cubs. She has 2, a male and a female. They're now 6 weeks old. The 2 cubs differ from each other. The female is more playful, her brother more timid. And there's no disputing who's the boss. It may have been just an accident, but sibling rivalry will be an important part of their lives as they grow up. Lion cubs are characters from the start, whether bold, playful, or nervous. Within a litter, cubs' behavior is more varied than between litters. Scientists now understand that being different to your siblings must be important, at least in lions. Perhaps it means they're less likely to compete with each other. She's moving den again, so that other animals don't notice a routine. For the first few weeks, she's had to carry them, but now they're just strong enough to walk. The timid male hardly seems ready to face the world.